Alright, somebody asked for a Windows install since the last one was on my Mac, so let's get into it. Gonna go to https://openbb.co. Click install. You want to go to the download page and click this download button. It's gonna spam you for your email, but you don't need to submit your email or make a login. It's open source. You can find it on their GitHub page if you really want, but download it here, save it to your folder. Let's go look at where we saved it. Okay, this is where I saved it. You will double click this to run it. It's going to ask you again where to save it. Just make another folder. I, for some reason, decided to install it here. Once that's done loading, it'll take 10-15 minutes. You'll need to go to the folder that you saved it at, you installed it in, and run this application here. Let's close out the old one. Oh, and you'll want to run it as administrator, or else you'll probably run into issues. Alright, let me switch to Alright, I'm gonna press enter and just use guest mode. And then you will see the dashboard pop up. From here you can let's choose something from the main menu. Let's do funds. And then you can search or you can load. Let's load SPY. And then from here, now, oh, it looks like it did not load the spider index. It loaded Spyglass Growth Fund Institutional Shares SPYGX. Weird. You can tinker with the data sources, but you can load your tickers and then run any of the data. You can do sector. This will pull up the chart of the different weighted sectors in this index and so on. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this. It's built in Python, so you can build on top of it very easily, but that was the install. You've got the gist of it. All right, thanks.